Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Ansible on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. First go to Google and search for what is Ansible. It is an automation tool. See, Ansible is a software tool that provides simple but powerful automation cross-platform computer support. Okay, so open terminal, now install it. First update the packages sudo apt-add sudo apt-upgrade -y, hit enter. It is done. Now install the following prerequisites. Sudo apt install software properties common. I will keep these commands in the video description. Then Python 3 already installed again. Anyway, Python. Then Python 3 pip. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now add the Ansible repository. apt-add-repository. Then -s. Then -update. Then ppa Ansible / again Ansible. Hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install the Ansible. Sudo apt install Ansible. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the Ansible version. Ansible -version. Hit enter. It is type Ansible -version. See, we have installed Ansible core 2.17. See, this is the executable location and see here configuration information. So now we can create playbooks and we can work. You can practice Ansible. So we have successfully installed Ansible on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.